Hi everyone, I'm Mike Davin, Vice President of Industry Relations at the Marine Retailers Association of the Americas, or as many people know us, the MRAA. Today I'm going to share some highlights from our 2023 Impact Report, which are specifically related to our advocacy efforts. The MRAA is a nonprofit that works on behalf of the industry, and the Impact Report is our chance each year to give you an update on what we accomplished working for you. Something dealers may not realize when they become members of MRAA is that their support enables us to advocate at the state and federal level on many issues that directly impact their businesses. The more members we represent, the louder our collective voice becomes, and the more MRAA can do to support our industry's growth. And last year, I'm excited to share, we were able to take our advocacy efforts to a whole new level thanks to our new Diamond Ambassador membership program. Our 2023 Diamond Ambassadors were MarineMax, One Water Marine, and Tommy's Boats. These inaugural members of the program recognize the value of having a group like MRAA's advocacy team out there working on behalf of dealers every day and committed significant resources that went directly to our advocacy efforts. Their commitment helped MRAA to make a big splash in 2023. Support from our Diamond Ambassadors allowed the association to welcome Mike Sayre as Director of Government Relations. With a background in motorcycle and outdoor recreation advocacy, Mike helps MRAA keep tabs on the many bills, issues, threats, and opportunities that are constantly floating around Washington, D.C. In 2023, the MRAA Board of Directors announced its legislative priorities as recommended by the Advisory Council of Marine Associations, otherwise known as ACMA. This year's resolutions focused on workforce development, dealer exemptions from burdensome regulations, and waterways access that minimize user conflict. Those are the issues that our advocacy team focused on throughout the year, as well as at the industry's biggest advocacy event of the year, the American Boating Congress. That's where the MRAA team brought your concerns directly to Capitol Hill, engaging one-on-one conversations with lawmakers, with 250 stakeholders and key members of Congress in attendance. MRAA and our partners made sure that the recreational boating industry's voice was louder than ever. Major issues that the MRAA team worked on in 2023 included the right whale vessel speed rule, the Federal Trade Commission's proposed auto rule, and a host of other local and national issues that affect the marine industry. You can read more about it in the complete Impact Report, as well as get updates on the many other ways the association worked for you in 2023.